Have you ever noticed your blood sugar and wondered why it is so high? Now, how to bring it down quickly without doing something unsafe. The good news is that there are several simple methods that can help lower blood sugar faster, especially when it is only moderately high. First thing is to double check whether it is an error in the blood sugar machine or the pack of strips you got for checking. If you are using a CGM, always have a finger prick machine handy to double check if you think it may be wrong. But not every trick works for every person, and some methods depend on whether you have type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, or another medical condition. Today, we will look at 12 simple ways to lower blood sugar quickly, and every tip is supported by medical research from trusted organizations and medical journals. Number 1, drink plenty of water. When your blood sugar becomes high, your kidneys try to remove extra sugar through your urine. But if you are not drinking enough water, your body cannot do this job as well. Drinking water helps replace the fluid loss through frequent urination and supports your kidneys in removing excess glucose. This works best if you are dehydrated, especially during hot weather or after exercise. Avoid sugary drinks, fruit juice, soft drinks, and energy drinks, because they can raise blood sugar even more. Number 2, go for a brisk walk. One of the fastest natural ways to lower blood sugar is to move your body. Your muscles use glucose for energy during physical activity, even if you do not produce much insulin. A brisk walk for about 15 to 30 minutes can lower blood sugar after a meal in many people. But if your blood sugar is very high, especially above 250 milligrams per deciliter, and you have type 1 diabetes, check for ketones before exercising. Check whether you have taken your insulin dose. If the situation continues, you have to discuss it with your doctor. If ketones are present, exercise can make your condition worse instead of better. Number 3, drink unsweetened light coffee or tea instead of eating more food. Especially green tea helps to keep hunger away. Sometimes people mistake thirst for hunger and continue eating when their blood sugar is already high. But taking a short break and drinking a glass of plain coffee or tea may help you avoid unnecessary calories and extra carbohydrates. If you are truly hungry, choose foods that contain protein, foods with more fiber, healthy unsaturated fats, or non-starchy vegetables, and non-sweet fruits. Number 4, take your diabetes medication on time. Missing even one dose of diabetes medicine or insulin can allow blood sugar to rise quickly. Taking your medication exactly as your healthcare provider prescribed is one of the most effective ways to control high blood sugar. Use an alarm on your smartphone to avoid forgetting. Mark the days or dates on blister packs of tablets or capsules. Discuss with your doctor or healthcare provider whether you can take an extra dose or take a different medication in case blood sugar is out of control. Too much insulin or diabetes medicine can cause dangerously low blood sugar called hypoglycemia. Number 5, eat food with fewer carbohydrates per serving at your next meal. All rice varieties and foods made with wheat has about 70% carbohydrate by dry weight. Legumes and beans have about 40% carbohydrates by dry weight, and they also have protein, which reduce the blood sugar impact. Carbohydrates have the biggest effect on blood sugar after eating. If your blood sugar is already high, reducing the amount of rice, bread, potatoes, pasta, sweets, and sugary drinks at your next meal may help prevent it from rising even more. Choose foods like eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, beans, leafy vegetables, and salads instead. Research shows that lowering carbohydrate intake can improve blood sugar levels in many people with diabetes. Number 6, manage stress. Many people do not realize that stress can increase blood sugar. When you are stressed, your body releases hormones that tell the liver to release more glucose into the bloodstream. Simple relaxation methods like slow breathing, listening to calming music, meditation, or spending time outdoors may help reduce stress. But stress control is not a replacement for diabetes medication when it is needed. While we are in the middle of the video, if you think this video is useful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It is a simple help to encourage me to make more videos. Number 7, get enough sleep. Poor sleep can make your body less sensitive to insulin the next day. Even one night of poor sleep may lead to higher blood sugar levels. Most adults should aim for about 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep every night. But if you snore loudly or feel tired every day, talk with your healthcare provider because sleep apnea is common in people with diabetes. Number 8, eat foods rich in fiber. Fiber slows the digestion of carbohydrates and reduces the speed at which sugar enters your bloodstream. Vegetables, beans, lentils, oats, chia seeds, and flax seeds are good sources of fiber. Research shows that people who eat more fiber daily have better blood sugar control and better health outcomes over time. But increase fiber slowly and drink enough water to avoid stomach discomfort. Number 9, try a little vinegar before meals. Some research suggests that vinegar may help reduce the rise in blood sugar after eating. Many people use 1 to 2 teaspoons of vinegar mixed into a large glass of water before meals. But vinegar is not suitable for everyone. People with stomach ulcers, severe acid reflux, kidney disease, or those taking certain medicines should ask their healthcare provider before trying this method. Number 10, add protein to your meals. Protein helps you feel full and slows the digestion of carbohydrates. Adding fish, chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, tofu, nuts, or beans to meals may help reduce large blood sugar spikes after eating. But choose healthy cooking methods instead of deep frying whenever possible. Number 11, monitor your blood sugar. You cannot manage what you do not measure. Checking your blood sugar helps you understand how food, exercise, stress, illness, and medication affect your body. Many people notice patterns after keeping a record for several days. This information also helps you and your healthcare provider adjust your treatment if needed. Number 12, know when to seek medical help. Sometimes high blood sugar cannot be safely managed at home. If your blood sugar stays above 300 milligrams per deciliter, or about 16.7 millimoles per liter, even after following your treatment plan, contact your healthcare provider. If you have vomiting, severe thirst, confusion, trouble breathing, stomach pain, or positive ketones, seek urgent medical care immediately. These symptoms may be signs of diabetic ketoacidosis or another serious medical emergency. But one more tip is worth mentioning. Avoid trying unproven supplements or internet cures that promise to lower blood sugar within minutes. Many of these products have little scientific evidence, and some may interact with your medications or even be harmful. The safest and most reliable methods are staying hydrated, taking medication correctly, being physically active when it is safe, eating balanced meals, reducing stress, sleeping well, and checking your blood sugar regularly, and understanding which foods raise your blood sugar. Research from organizations like the American Diabetes Association, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, and many published medical journals consistently supports these healthy habits. Small daily changes may not seem dramatic at first, but over time they can make a big difference in your blood sugar control and your overall health. Talk with your healthcare provider before making major changes to your diabetes treatment, especially if you use insulin or medicines that can cause low blood sugar. If you think this video is useful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. It is a simple help to encourage me to make more videos.